In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page in GoHighLevel that actually converts. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and we're keeping this very simple and practical so you can create a page that guides people to take action instead of just looking nice. A lot of people build landing pages that technically work but don't convert because the message is unclear or the page is trying to do too much. The goal of a landing page is not to explain everything about your business. The goal is to lead someone towards one specific action. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure a landing page inside GoHighLevel, what elements actually matter for conversions, and how to publish a page you can confidently send traffic to. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can actually get signed up with a free 30-day trial by using our link down in the description. Once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click Start Extended Free Trial. What you'll do is add your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number. And then what you'll go ahead and do is put your credit card information in. You won't be charged until after the 30 days is up, but just make sure that you add a reminder in your phone or your calendar in case you're still deciding on whether to invest or not. But once you're logged in, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to give you a quick little overview. So we've got our launch pad. This is essentially how to get everything set up, connecting your Stripe account, etc. Then we've got our dashboard right here. So this is your opportunity status, value. You can kind of see your pipeline and some other analytics and everything like that, but you can actually customize this. Then we've got conversations, and this is so you can funnel all of your conversations into one single page. Then we've got calendar. So it's kind of like Calendly where you can have your calendar in here and have booking pages. Then we've got contacts. So this is where all of your contacts will live. You can import from a previous CRM or email letter or email list. And then we've got our opportunities right here. So this is essentially a CRM. You can create specific pipelines with whatever you need. So if you need a marketing pipeline, an onboarding pipeline, whatever it may be. Then we've got payments. So this is just so you can see where all of your payments and invoices are. Then we've got marketing right here. So this is social planner, emails, and everything in between. Then we've got automation. So this is where you can create all of your workflows in here. Then we've got sites. So this is where we're going to go ahead and create one. And then you've got memberships, media storage, reputation, and reporting. So we're going to go ahead and go to sites. Then we're going to go ahead and stay on this funnels right here. Then we have a couple different options. So we can create a blank new funnel using AI or from a template. So let's take a look at the templates. Maybe we have some sort of health product. Okay, you can go ahead and choose a template if you would like, or we can build with AI. So you can go ahead and click high converting funnel and it will kind of walk you through. So create a high converting sales funnel for an online fitness coaching program with testimonials, pricing, and signups. Now it went ahead and kind of went over what it said. So you want to add a headline and then a subheadline and then a call to action. This is so important. You want people to understand at first what exactly you're offering and what you want them to do, okay? Achieve your fitness goals, very clear. Kickstart your transformation with personalized coaching program tailored to your unique needs, lifestyle, and goals. Amazing. Then get started now. Again, this is very, very clear on what this is, and what you want them to do is click get started now. Okay, then you can have why choose this coaching, okay? Success stories, what you get with our coaching program, what the pricing is, and then start your journey. Again, another CTA. See how there's multiple CTAs along. So get started now, flexible pricing. You can choose any of these, join now. Then you can even add a form. So maybe you want it to be some sort of form that tells them their health history, their goals, etc. So you can add that on there too. But again, I feel like a lot of people overcomplicate landing pages by putting so much on there. And yes, you want to get your information across, but you want to, again, have one clear goal, which is you want them to join and get started now. If you want to edit anything, you can add any elements over here. You can add one column, and then within this, you can add whatever elements you want. Headline, bulleted list, okay, whatever it is that you want, you can add it in here. So over here, you can see they've got quick add where there's rows, there's text, there's forms, there's blogs, there's images. Then they've got sections where it's like if you want the full width, medium, or small, then rows. So essentially how many columns you want. all of the elements are right here. So we've got, again, text, forms, media. Then we've got customs. You can add a calendar if you needed to add a booking link in here. Maybe we want a clarity call. Okay. You also can have this as once they click the get started now, and maybe you want them to go to next step. And then maybe that next step would be this clarity call. Okay, so we can go ahead and save. Now we'll go back. So now maybe the next step is going to be clarity call. Okay, so now you can see we've got transform your fitness, clarity call, and then a thank you page. So now we can generate this. Okay, you can insert an element, calendar if we want to keep it very simple. Okay, this is a clarity call. And then of course you can add maybe a heading or maybe some testimonials at the bottom, whatever it may be. You can preview what it looks like on the phone. Okay, and then maybe you just want to create a simple thank you page. So create a thank you page and join my, Okay, so now maybe it's clarity call confirmed. Thank you for enrolling. Your registration is confirmed. Okay, then you can go ahead and customize whatever it is. If you want to say sign up for our email list or learn more about me here, whatever it may be. So you can save this. So again, now we've got our fully working funnel. Again, I know this was creating the landing page, but it all works together. Okay, so then we've got our landing page, we've got our clarity call, and then we've got thank you for enrolling. You can create variations too to do some A/B testing, but that is how you set up your landing page. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips for what make a landing page actually convert. So before you publish your landing page, there are a few important principles that make a big difference in whether someone takes action or leaves. First, your headline needs to clearly state the outcome, not just describe what the page is about. People should understand what problem you help solve or what result they will get within the first few seconds of landing on the page. Next, your call to action should be clear and specific. So instead of vague buttons like submit or learn more, it helps to use language that tells people exactly what will happen next, such as book a call or accessing a resource. It's also important to limit distractions on a landing page. Removing extra links, menus, and unnecessary sections keeps people focused on the main action you want them to take. Another key factor is keeping your copy simple and skimmable. Short paragraphs, clear spacing, and direct language make it easier for someone to quickly understand the page without feeling overwhelmed. You should also make sure the form or calendar is really easy to complete. Asking for only the information you actually need is going to increase the likelihood that someone will finish the process instead of abandoning the page. And finally, remember that conversion comes from clarity, not complexity. A clean, focused landing page that clearly explains what to do next will almost always outperform a page with too much information or design elements. Okay, so now I wanted to quickly touch on what the pricing plans and options are for you after your extended 30-day free trial is up. So they've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro plan. The Starter is $97 per month, and you get everything that we talked about, everything I showed you at the beginning. You get all the tools you need to capture leads, and then you get unlimited contacts, and then you can set up 3 sub accounts. Then we've got the Unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. With this, you get everything in the Starter, but you get unlimited sub accounts. If you're a solopreneur, all you need is the Starter plan. You don't need unlimited sub accounts because you can create up to 3, and unless you have more than 3 businesses or websites or categories within your business, you can be fine with the Starter plan. Then we've got the SaaS Pro, which is $497 a month. You get everything in unlimited, but you get auto sub account creation, and then rebilling is also available. Okay, so try out the plan that you actually see yourself moving forward with so you can test out all the features to make sure it's the one for you. As a personal note, I remember how confusing GoHighLevel felt at first when everything looked powerful, but yet nothing felt clear with what I was supposed to do first. But once you break it down step by step, it gets so much easier. If you want to check out GoHighLevel and get that extended free trial, again, make sure you use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel with simple step-by-step tutorials so you can build, automate, and scale your business with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.